Hi everyone, I hope you're all keeping well. This is my newsletter for October 2024, and I have some exciting news about upcoming events to share with you. So firstly, our next Family Constellation Workshop is scheduled for Saturday, the 16th of November 2024, starting at 10 a.m. and it will take place in Dublin. So we will have a full day event where we explore ancestral patterns and generational trauma that might continue to influence our lives. And what do I mean by this? For instance, suppose your father divorced your mom when you were young and you hope to avoid the same fate, and yet now you find yourself facing a similar situation. So this workshop aims to help you live the life you want, free from the impacts of past traumas, whether those you've experienced personally or those inherited from previous generations. If you are new to the work, please feel free to visit my website at familyconstellations.ie to read more about it or contact me directly if you have any questions. Our last constellation workshop of this year will take place on the 7th of December, and you can register for both workshops by visiting my website and securing your spot. I'm also very happy and exciting to share that I will be starting a training program for those interested in becoming a facilitator of family constellations beginning on the 21st of March next year. It's a detailed one-year program designed to equip you to lead both group workshops and individual sessions. So this training is ideal whether you are an existing practitioner or a counselor looking to expand your toolkit, or if you are exploring a new career path in this transformative field. It also offers many opportunities for personal explorations, as we will delve into our own ancestral lines and address personal trauma. For more details, please visit my website or get in touch with me, and the training will take place in Dublin. Thanks so much for your time, and I wish everyone a peaceful and joyful month ahead.